Welcome to day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas trees.
Uri Designs, unique expressions.
And hello everyone, I'm so glad you're here. I'm at the store looking for a couple of things that I need for the project. And there are so many options. But I think I found the best option right here. These are adhesive gemstones. I don't need glue. I'm going to be using this color paper, and it's 24-pound paper. I believe you can use construction paper for this project as well. If you want, you can use a paper cutter like this to cut the paper. I believe it's better to use the scissors, especially if you're making this with kids. Then any craft glue will do. I'm going to use the tacky glue because I used it before and it works really good. But any craft glue will do. So let's get going. Let me show you how you can make this cute Christmas tree with your kids. I poured the glue in this little container. So let's start with a cone. Put the paper like this. You're gonna fold it in. This one first and then the other one, okay? So the glue is gonna go here in the corner. Like that. Okay? Then fold it here and tie it. But not too much because you want your cone to be a little fat. It's more like an X here on the bottom, and holding it like that, so it will be tight on the top, and then like that. Okay. Now when you have it already like that, you're gonna cut here. And then those little points. So you go like this. And I like to turn it around. That should make a perfect cone. And that's going to be the base of the tree. Let's move to the next step. We're going to do the leaves, and the leaves are going to consist of pieces of paper, and I already folded my paper in a way that's going to guide me to cut the lines. So what you can do is fold it once, fold it twice, and fold it for the third time. So 3 times you fold it. Okay, so you do like this, right? Let me show you. This way. Okay, you're gonna fold it 1 time. You're gonna fold it 2 times, and then you're gonna fold it for the last time, and it's going to be like this. Like that. So 3 times you fold it, okay? Once you have the lines, you can either cut them using the scissors or using a paper cutter. And I'm going to just be careful not to go out of the lines. And I'm going to just cut like that. Let me show you how I cut them smaller. You fold them once. You cut them right here, and then you fold them again. You're gonna fold them twice and cut them twice to get all of them the same size. And those are going to be all your leaves. So for the purpose of setting it up and putting the leaves, I'm going to just put it on this jar. So it'll be easier for me to do it. So I would recommend that you make it easier for your kids and put it on top of a paper cup. Let's do this. Let's fold like this, but not completely, right? So like this. And glue each individual piece. Okay? Just like that. You put a little bit of glue. Just like that. And you do all of them the same way until you finish all the papers that you cut. Now I finished putting them all together, and this is only 2 papers. And then it's time to glue them to the cone. I'm using this Lazy Susan for me to show you better. And I put the cone on top of a mason jar. You can put it on a plastic cup or any other type of jar to make it easier to work with. I started adding the glue to the cone, but realized that it was better for me to add the glue to the pieces of paper. Oh, you just need to see what works for you. For the top ones, I cut them in half to make it easier to go around as it was getting narrow at the top. Time to add the decorations. And they are stickers, so it's easy to just add them. They're pretty strong stickers, so it took me a little while because they were sticking to my fingers. But you can use other type of stickers to decorate your tree. And this tree needed a star, so I cut the star using a stencil. I put glue on the top part of the star and I left the bottom open to then insert it on top of the tree. Let me show you how. I open it and I put it here. I am going to add a little bit of glue, but I first wanted to see how it looks. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm encouraging you to make a craft with your kids or grandkids. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that, and click on the notification bell so next time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Merry Christmas. Until next time. Goodbye.